Good morning, welcome back to a new video. Today we have a bit of a job, which is supporting this guy because it's been a bit windy and well, we're also scared that all the support of this whole side is on this old window. We want to fix this up and we want to support it up as we need to get our tractor in here, at least the front, to repair the tractor. But I'm not pushing it in with that being like that. If we even tap something there, it can all just come down. So hopefully we can just lift it up. I think this should be fat enough just to push it a tiny bit so I can get that out, and then we put a much fatter one just to support it. This is just to get it up. Hopefully it's enough. We'll see if it starts to crack. We still have this one. We're gonna have it underneath as extra support in case something goes wrong so that can catch it. But hopefully this can lift it up. So let's do it.
Mind you, drill whatever else is in your phone.
After 2 hours of messing around, we finally got it in under the roof, at least most of it, as much as we could get it. We had to dig out these giant paths so it fits under, but now I can work on it perfectly in any weather. So I can finally get it working. Hopefully it doesn't take me long. Should be pretty simple, but we'll see. These machines, they're mysterious. You don't know what's wrong. And the huge reason why we put these poles at the beginning of the video, as you saw, we put these because it was really unstably sitting on just one little window frame, and we put a lot of pressure knocking it against there with the tractor accidentally without seeing. You know, when these things roll, you do not control how it goes. The brakes, I press brakes, but grandpa from neighbors, he's pushing it more, and
yeah, and it goes also down as well.
And it's sloped down, so the brakes, you know, they could not keep up with the pressure. So it broke off the roof, and that put a lot of pressure on this barn. And if it's too much pressure and this old window was here, it could collapse down. So we had to reinforce it and also clear out this way, because this, of course, if you remember, it was a lot more further out. So it gives us more room to adjust things, because you know, you cannot get it perfect at this angle. But now we have it in. It's very nice. I can't wait to have it nice and beautiful. I have to clean off this moss. I know it looks very, very cute, but it has to go, because it needs to be now perfect.